had a bit of problems with his games. For his armor, just give him a sec.
Okay, I'm rejoining now. There's a whatever reason, like, armor opened up 3 times, and I, like, trying to connect to the server.
Well.
What the fuck, another armor is launching? Why the fuck do they keep launching? Yeah, give me a sec, Nick.
Huh?
My arm is another armor
talking to you?
launched.
Yeah, it is. What was that, Curtis?
My armor keeps opening up more armors.
Lol.
So close this launcher. I'm going
Fuck
to...
it. Let's just go to the mining shipments and you can just take one of these hunters.
Please don't leave my tank behind. I'll be there in...
Dude, we're gonna miss out on the mining shipments if this is the case.
Nick, please.
Oh, do you? We could just keep this tank and give it to Curtis. That way we have 3 tanks.
Well, Nick, I'll be in less than 60 seconds. Please.
Alright. You can just catch up. We're in tanks. We're literally not
Yeah, someone can take my tank.
My mate's in your tank.
He is?
Yes.
Tell your friend he's a legend. And tell him thanks for not stealing my tank.
Is that like that? Yeah, he's actually one of the 12-year-olds I trust. Because I literally left my tank outside and he was just sitting there waiting for me to come back on. Didn't drive off of it, didn't try killing me when I logged back in. Yeah, he just literally waited. Then we decided doing mine shipments together.
How long were you gone?
Well, my net crashed so a bit.
Oh. Alright, well, I'm in Engineer. Control Shift 1. Hiyo! Oh, I think I love that. I can actually, change my, screens without, having to go on it.
Fuck him.
Fuck you, me?
He's just flying around doing nothing. Nah, Ted did. Ted gave me my money back after I killed him. Then, as soon as I died, because I didn't get any help. Oh, shit. Oh!
What? What happened, fam? You're straight tease.
Fuck off.
Sorry, fam. Yo, can I have a group invite? Oh man, this music though.
Oh, what?
Group invite, please.
What's wrong with you, Curtis?
That's a group invite, I can't hear anything.
Oh, the music.
Yeah, group invite, please. Thank you.
Just sell that shitty black tank. Just on both.
Wait, I got the stuff inside. I need that gear, man.
Got his stuff inside.
Yeah.
Oh shit. No, it's like, there was like, you know.
Because I wanted to arm myself up with like combat gear and shit.
Well, from the loot we got.
Yeah, because I don't have anything.
That despawns when the server restarts.
It was inside the tank.
It despawns when the server
Why
restarts.
why would that happen?
Because the server's stupid. It happened to me and my mates. We fucking playing. We did convoys and shit. Like we had about 5 in there, 5 each. And when we went to go take it out, it fucking despawned on us.
That's fucking yay.
Yep.
Oh shit! Wait, where's my tank?
We sold it. You're having this tank here.
Who's coming in with me?
Just blow the hunter up, dude, because I
No.
can't get in the driver's seat.
Oh, this one.
So which one am I having?
I'll try again.
Because can I just be the
I'll
commander?
try again.
Okay,
Yeah.
do
Oh yeah. You can't get him.
you
Fuck.
wanna move this tank?
Yeah, I'll move it.
Yeah, can I just be in the same tank as you guys instead of having my own?
Just have a tank of your own. It's easier. It's better.
Yeah, but I can't. I already want to be constantly swapping seats.
What do you want? Akuma or Verska?
I'll get a Verska. I like them.
I just want to hop in one of you guys' tanks.
Any color? Or just...
Just get me like a wood camouflage. Anything.
Can I please hop in with one of you guys?
Oh my god. What just... Oh my...
I have to blow it up.
Oh,
That's fucking loud, bro.
Yeah.
can I be a commander or some shit, please,
I'm
man?
fine. You get in my tank. Okay.
I'm sorry, I'm like a naive child.
Yeah, you are.
Thank you.
Annoying.
Hey. But it worked. Am I right? Wait, why the fuck would you sell that tank?
You wanted me to sell it. You didn't want it. He was being a fucking needy bitch. You wanted to get in my tank.
I apologize. You don't have to be so rude. You have to embarrass me in front of your friends.
Watch out.
Can I
I
see?
need to move.
Yeah, I'm moving. Yeah, I'm out of the way.
Does this thing have smoke screens?
Yes.
How many?
I don't know.
'Cause I can't see it.
Oh, you make me depressed.
What? Does it say smoke screen?
Are you in the commander seat?
Yeah.
It should be there.
No, it only says what weapon I have. Where's your friend at? Oh, there he is. Why didn't your friend just use the other tank?
Because he doesn't like it. Shit.
Do you want me to hop in that gunner seat, or do you want to keep the gunner seat for yourself?
I'm keeping in the gun seat.
Alright,
You can be the one who takes all the infantry.
got it, fam. We going to the rebel outpost? No? Oh, Emma Watson wants that invite.
Oh, fuck.
Really?
Yeah, I'm good.
What are we waiting for?
You got a, what's the outpost behind us?
You want to do it?
Get you guys some guns.
I'll invite him because he does have a pawny.
Your friend's Gil Hunter over there.
Yeah.
Oh, how good is he?
Drop money into it.
G'day, cuds.
What's up, faggot? Oh, there we are. Yeah, they dropped money. Oh, that's cool.
Are they already or dead?
Yeah.
So, I
Where are the
got
enemies?
70 grand.
70.
25 grand on me, so we can
Want
buy
me to
another
loot?
tank.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. They have gear frost too. Nice.
Pick up 2k.
That's all the money I'm picking up. Alright.
I'm gonna leave this guy and take his gear.
Okay, a lie.
Damn, dude, I feel bad. I looted from the black guy.
Well,
Oh, yeah, first take his gun.
Own tank.
hey.
Curtis in his own tank.
No. He literally went on fucking game with
Hey, he's being a very rude dude to me.
Fuck off.
You should also have a meme page, Kappa.
Shut the fuck up.
Shut up, Beck.
He bullies me. He hits me.
Kilo on the hill.
Jesus fucking Christ,
Or
Nick.
the orca here at the shore, or the
There's 2 orcas.
Yeah, whose hell is that next to us? Was that random?
What, the helicopter?
Yeah, it's parked.
Yeah, it's just a spawned one. It's just a randomly genned one on the map.
Ah, that's pretty cool. Oh, is he hopping in other tank or?
Nah, he's just flying his pawny.
What? Then why's he landing?
His eyes just hovering.
Ah, yeah. There's even an ally in there? Or am I just seeing shit?
I'm seeing shit.
Because I thought I saw some dude completely naked, poking his gun out. Also, Nick, how much money did you pick
Go
up
over
from
to the
that?
gunster and get some kills, dude.
I got 52k, but I had an ages ago.
Nice.
What was that?
What was that?
Gun store.
Look at her. Emma.
Ah.
You just burning fuel, mate.
I'll burn your fucking dick off, cunt.
That guy, though.
Alright.
Fuck we.
Cat bastard, he stole your name. Is someone mocking you?
No, why?
Someone just joined name Cat Bastard. Cat.
Yeah, I know.
That's very
Yeah, I
close to F.
Yeah, I know.
I really think that's a Nathan guy trying to mock you or some shit.
No, he's been in there ages ago and fucking always plays the Blue 4, I think. And I kept pumping him, so that's why I swapped to Blue 4.
Huh.
So I don't know what happened. I was in a jet when it was happening though.
What did he shoot at?
I don't know.
I think he's just shooting for the owner. Unless he's actually aiming at something. Are we going to the gun store? What's the plan, fam?
Camping. Big money shipments, bruh.
Oh, there it is. I see.
There we are, heavy money shipment.
So they always spawn here, then, yeah? If I knew that, I probably would have not bitched. 'Cause I thought it was always on the move.
Fuck off.
That's hurtful. Like you could drive you suicide. I'll try and rack up some AI kills. Jesus Christ, I didn't realize I'd have a tank on their side.
Try to save as much.
You like fucking killed them all instantly. Oh my god.
See if they've got out of that Gorgon. Oh, it's not a token.
Yeah, no, next day still I'll repair, alright?
Yeah.
Because I'm an NG. Is it repaired?
No,
No?
they're orange.
Ah, so as an engineer, I have to do it multiple times. Alright, here we go. Full repair now, Nick. My bads. What hit us though?
Probably the Gorgon or something just fucking got us.
Was it Gorgon?
Yeah, there was something down there that did a bit of damage.
Fair enough.
Is it almost done?
Yeah, it's 100% now. I'm hopping in.
Yeah. You can split the money if you want.
Mom.
Yeah,
Just wait up, you. Just wait up, you.
Huh? Yes, please. You're the best around.
he's just, I've only, how much was that shipment?
75k.
100K.
75k. No, that was 75k.
Oh, 75.
Yeah.
This is fucking awesome. I didn't know you could camp money like this.
I had 25 on me. I'll just give you those.
I like 15k on me. Hey, this
So
is
75k, we can go 20k each, and I just drop like 5k.
I don't mind
Yeah,
just getting 20k and then because you guys are doing most of the work.
Lucky to get anything.
You're a fucking rude dude, aren't you? Can't believe this. Yeah, if I knew we were camping like this, I probably would have just taken the tank, to be honest. Because I thought we'd have to go all the way across the map constantly hunting down them.
I'll give you both 35 each.
Fucking annoying.
You're a beautiful stud. Is your tank okay?
25. Yeah, it's fine.
Because I'm an NG just because I knew this would happen with fighting them. Oh, I thought he's gonna like just bank it.
Nah, he's gonna drop it.
There's Blackbeard.